Welcome all. This is our lecture 51, and in this lecture we will cover the topic sending and receiving mails. Mails, or sometimes it's called electronic mails or emails. We can say, what is this mail? Email have changed the face of our communication system. It is same like as our traditional mailing system where a particular sender send the message to a recipient by writing the address of the particular receiver on a mail. But here are some advantages that the traditional mail takes more time to deliver, have no mechanism to track the particular mail, it is delivered or not, what is the time frame by which it will deliver to the receiver. Email have these facilities. This is instantly sent to the receiver. Okay, provide the security that the particular email will be in the proper shape as sent by the sender. Attachments will be safe and many more facilities available. So let's start the today's topic, sending and receiving emails. First of all, we will know what is email. As I have told you, it is sometimes called electronic mail, and it was designed and programmed to exchange the messages between sender and receiver or within computer devices. In terms of programming, at that time the encoded using ASCII text. ASCII text means the full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This is the full form of ASCII. Nowadays, a user can send images, videos, sound files in the attachment of a mail except the text. But in the early days, there was the facility to send only the text. So this was the email. This is the simple mail transfer window in front of you. You can see and you can find these fields in every version of email. If you are using Gmail, Rediff mail, and any kind of mail which you will use, these particular field will be there. From, it means your ID, you are sender of a particular mail, to which you want to send this mail. CC, it's also a recipient also, except the main recipient. You can enter here the BCC, that is blind carbon copy. CC is carbon copy, BCC is blind carbon copy. The main difference between this CC and BCC is the CC recipients will show in the email, but the BCC recipients email IDs will not show to all. Okay, the subject will be there, the subject of the mail you will write here, and this is the main body of the email where you will put your text. And we have emojis, links, and our text formatting tools with us, by which we can easily edit and format our text. Clear? The send option, after filling all these entries, you have to click on send button, and the particular mail will be sent to the recipients. Okay. And you can email to the receiver, that could be anywhere in the world. There is no limitation that you can send the email within the country, within these particular countries. You can send anywhere in the world. Okay. The functionality, the main thing, functionality, how an email will function, what are the ingredients, what are the support system of the email. Then there are some protocols which play an important role to send these messages or sending these emails. The first one is TCP/IP. That is called, here is called Transport Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, or this could be Transmission Control. Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Okay, this is a widely used protocol to connect the two devices with the internet, or you can say connect a particular device to the internet. What protocols will responsible? That is TCP/IP is responsible to connect a user to the internet. Now for sending receiving mail functionalities, we have a protocol, that is SMTP. SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And one more important protocol, that is POP3, that is Post Office Protocol. Post Office Protocol version 3. This is the full form of this. So these plays important role to send and receive the emails through the devices. Here are the standard fields which you can see, you will find in all the mailing formats, all kind of mailing softwares like Gmail, Rediffmail. There are many emails are available, yahoo.com. Okay, the first one is to. This field belongs to where you want to send a particular mail. The address, the email address of that particular receiver, you will put here. Okay. Subject, what is the subject and what is the mail is all about. What is the subject matter of this particular mail which you are sending to the receiver. This also should mention at the proper place. The next one is body, main body, where you will put the text matter, your detailed message, or you can put images and any other attachment. You can attach files in the body section also. Other fields are from, means sender's email address. Attachments, if you want to add the images, any word file, ppt, or any other file with the mail, then you can attach by using this function, that is attachments. CC, that is carbon copy, that is same as the receiver's address. You will enter the address of some important persons to which you want to send this particular mail. The another one is BCC, that is blind carbon copy. It will work same as CC, but the main difference between CC and BCC is that the recipients associated with BCC, the email addresses of these receivers will be hidden. These recipients will be hidden and will not show to all the receivers of this particular mail. Okay, this is the function of BCC. Here are some advantages to use emails. The first one is free delivery. Almost all the email services are free by using the internet. You have to pay the charge of internet only, and all the email services are free. You will not pay for any delivery of the mail. Next one is global delivery. You can send the email anywhere around the globe. Okay, it means you can send your email irrespective of the location. Clear? The next most important advantage is instant delivery. It means as the sender have sent the mail, at the same time instantly the receiver will receive this particular mail at their inboxes. Okay, so it's the instant delivery system in associated in email services. The next one is file attachment. File attachment, we can attach any document, image, files, documents like PPT, Word file, PDF file, or any other files you can attach in the mail. Okay, any video, any sound file, but there are some limit of these attachments, as there is a limit in Gmail. You can send the content till 25 MB. 25 MB is the limit. You cannot send the file which is exceed from 25 MB. If you want to send a particular file by using the email, then the size of a particular file should be less than 25 MB. It means megabytes. Okay, if you want to send to transfer the files more than 25 MBs, then you should use the drive option provided by the Gmail or Google. Next one is long term storage. Long term storage means this is the digital records. As the sender send the email to you, then it will be available in your inbox for the long time. Okay, if you will not delete this from your side, then this will be permanently stored in your inbox with the date, with the time of the receiving. Okay, another one is resource friendly. Doesn't matter what kind of devices you are using, you are using a smartphone or you are using a personal computer. By both methods you can send the email with the same accuracy. Okay, so class, this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.